How to play multiplayer on Minecraft. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are wanting to play multiplayer on your Minecraft game, if it's on Android, Windows, Xbox or PS5, it's really simple to do. All you have to do is to open up the application right here. And once inside, you can then go ahead and choose between these three options. You have your single player for playing alone, you have multiplayer for playing online, and you have your Minecraft realms. You simply want to click on multiplayer and this window will show up. You can just go ahead and click on proceed. And from here, it will then go ahead and pop up that menu on which you have to click on allow. In here, we then have our servers. It is scanning for games on our local network, which we don't have. So to play a server or to play multiplayer on Minecraft, all you have to do is to click on add server. And from here, you can then go ahead and enter the server name. You can just go ahead and enter any name you want to. For example, let's go ahead and enter one. And right after, we then have our server address. In here, you simply want to go ahead and navigate through a server on Minecraft. Now I have a bunch of examples right here. We have a Minecraft server list and we have the most popular server, which is the Complex Gaming. So you can just go ahead and copy the IP for this Minecraft server right here. And right after, we can now go ahead and go back to the Minecraft application, enter the IP address and click on done. From here, wait for the server to load in, and right now we can now go ahead and click on play and we will be able to play multiplayer on Minecraft. And so if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.